Hello, mabuhay. I'm Nina.
Hi everyone, I'm Adam.
Now we're going to do the traditional Filipino dish, and I'm going to teach Adam chicken adobo with the use of mamacita, vinegar, nectar. Now first I'm going to peel the potatoes.
Well, while you're peeling the potatoes, maybe I'll peel the garlic.
All right. You want to do the garlic?
Yeah,
and I peel
I can do that.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And we're going to use all of this garlic for this recipe, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're saying it's one of the most traditional dishes in the Philippines?
Yeah.
So from what I can see here, we've got our beautiful vinegar, our coconut vinegar from mamacita, garlic, peppercorns, bay leaf, and onion.
Yeah, it's all natural.
Okay.
Okay, it's warm. I'll put the oil, a little bit of oil.
Is there any particular oil that you like to use?
This one is vegetable oil.
Okay. But something you want a nice neutral oil to help carry those flavors through.
And cloves of garlic.
Yeah.
Put that one there, the bay leaves, some pepper.
Yeah.
At this time I can put the chicken.
This being one of the most popular versions of adobo. But we were talking before, there's lots of different versions of adobo, right? And you can, what are the dishes that you can do with this same flavor profile?
You can do with the pork.
Okay.
Or with the fish as well.
Yes.
Or beef.
Yeah.
And with other like vegetables as well.
Okay.
With the seafood, that is nice. Yeah. We're boiling the adobo and we let it finish for in few minutes. It will be ready, and we're going to do Adam the kinilaw.
Okay. So these are our next two dishes. So this is the ingredients for the kinilaw?
Yeah, that's
right.
Okay. So now I'm going to do the sweet vinegar, whichever you want, a quarter or a cup of the mamacita cinnamon, 1.5 tablespoon of the sugar, brown sugar. Mix it well.
And these are traditionally dipping sauces, right? For barbecued meats or lechon.
Yeah, that's right. This is a second sauce we have. We mix this one with onion, chili, bit of chili.
And so these dipping sauces, if we're going to serve them with, say, barbecue, and you're saying spring roll, any very heavy, say, fatty food, so the vinegar helps cut through those heavy flavors, right?
Yeah,
okay.
That's right.
I think lechon would have to be one of my favorites.
And then this is the sesame oil with this spicy sauce, vinegar. This is the second one. And then the third one, we're going to do the mamacita vinegar, nectar, blend with, this is the garlic vinegar I'm making now.
Okay.
We put the garlic, crushed garlic.
Yes.
That you help me with this. And a little bit of the corn, peppercorn, black peppercorn.
Look at that, they look great.
There's 3 now, it's all done. There's 3 sauces.
Well, I'm all done with this dicing of the tuna. So shall we assemble the kinilaw now?
Yes, we can do.
Okay. So just looking at this, it looks very similar to...
It's a fresh sashimi, nice, eh?
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Nice and fresh. We can put the lime on. Help me with the lime.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll add
the coconut vinegar. A quarter of a cup. Yeah. And you have the chili. And I squeeze some of the lime.
So fresh lime juice?
Fresh lime juice.
We'll just mix everything together?
Yeah, we just mix it together.
Okay. Let's mix that together. Now, it looks really good already.
These are your 3 sauces. Thank you. You want to try? Is it good?
Really tasty. So fresh, acidic.
Nice.
Beautiful fresh fish. Nice kick from the chili.
That's good. It blends with the mamacita vinegar.
Really well.
This is the plain one, but we add all the ingredients.
Everything's in there. The onion, chili, ginger.
It's nice.
Very delicious.
Nice. Sure, Vijay.
Should we check our adobo?
We simmer it. I think it will be okay. Would you like to try a little bit of
I
the
will
sauce,
try that,
Adam?
definitely.
Try the sauce. Good.
That's really good. That vinegar's mellowed out, but it's
Yeah.
still quite acidic. That's really delicious.
I've got one more to show you, one dish.
Okay.
This is the achara.
Okay.
Yeah, it's made of the ingredients are green peppercorn, carrots, sugar, and mamacita vinegar,
Okay.
nectar. We can put some here.
Yeah. But if traditionally, so this you would let it ferment, you were saying, for a few days, combine all your ingredients, mix
Yeah,
it with the
that's right.
coconut vinegar, and you just let it sit at room temperature, is that
Yeah,
correct?
let it sit for room temperature if you want it fermented.
Yeah. And the vinegar helps break down all those vegetables.
Yeah, like it cooks like it's like cooking, but it's you fermented it. But if you want to cook quicker, you have to boil it.
Okay.
That's the achara
Yeah. Made from green papaya.
from green papaya
Okay.
and mamacita vinegar.
Yeah.
Okay, this is it. It's all done.
This is our
So-
finished adobo.
Yeah, the finished ones.
Okay.
Would you like to try?
I would love to try it. Let's serve it up.
So that's the adobo. It goes with the rice.
Of course. So the rice helps to soak up all that beautiful sauce.
Yeah, that's right.
That looks great already. That looks like a perfect meal.
And then we add the spring
Spring onion, just for garnish.
onions for garnish. And there's a garlic there. Okay, would you like to try?
I would love to try. Thank you. Let's see how this goes. I'll get some chicken, get some rice.
Good?
Very tasty.
That's good.
One of the best
Excellent.
I've had.
You can cook that for your wife.
I
or
will,
for,
I will
yeah,
definitely- I'll
with
cook
your, because you're working as a chef, you can cook like that with the mamacita
Of course.
and yeah.
I need to get the proper vinegar.
Yeah, with all the spices, the sauces, the sausawan we call it. We have 3 of that. They goes with the chicken, with all the meat and whatever you have, seafood for sauces.
Okay.
The kilawin, kinilaw, and the achara.
This is everything. Everything made from these
made
vinegar.
from the vinegar, mamacita vinegar.
Amazing.
You can do even more than that. It's got a health benefits anyway.
Well, thank you so much for teaching me today. I've really enjoyed it, and this is all
Thank you.
very delicious food.
That's good.
Now
That's
let's
good, yeah.
dig into more adobo.
Okay, let's dig in. Let's try the adobo. And Adam will cook this adobo.
I will try this next time.